Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered how they create cartoons, pictures of real people? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a photo into cartoon in Canva. Remember that this process can be done in a computer and a phone. So first of all, we're going to go to canva.com. If you don't have an account, you will have to create one. In Canva, you can create so many designs. You can use it for documents, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, and so many more things. And also, you can create your own design. The best part is that you don't have to be an expert to create good designs. Now, let's focus on our cartoons. On the right part, you're going to find custom size, and here we're going to click on logo. This new window will appear with a blank square. Now, on the left part, you're going to click on Uploads. For these examples, I already have my pictures ready. So here we're going to click on Upload Files. Always try to remember in which field you have your photo. And for our first cartoon, I'm going to use this dot photo. We're going to wait a little bit for it to upload. And when it's ready, we're going to click on it. It's going to appear on my blank square. Now, on the left part, we're going to click on Apps. And we're going to write cartoon. Then we're going to click on Cartoonify. Here the app Cartoonify will appear and we're going to click on it. And after we're going to click on Cartoonify and replace. We're going to wait a little bit until it uploads and our first cartoon will be ready. Look how cute it looks. So now I'm going to show you one more way. We're going to click on Add Page and a new blank square is going to appear. We're going to do the same process as before. So we're going to click Uploads, Upload Files. Here I'm going to choose my new picture. And when it is ready, it's going to appear on my blank square. After, we're going to click on Apps again. And here we're going to search for Animate. Always make sure that your photo is selected. Here we're going to click on Anime 5. And then it's going to appear. We're going to click on Anime 5 again. And then we're going to click on Anime 5 and replace. We're going to wait a little bit until it's ready. And there you go. Here we have our second cartoon. I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!